This is 11001. This is a 2-bedroom suite. And this is the gentleman that cares for these 2 suites. So if you're coming on the Seascape, you're going to come see him. Okay, so you come in, huge area here. Nice to welcome yourself. We're going to get back to the doors on this side. We're going to get down here first. There's a little
balcony outside.
Yep, we're going to go look at that. You got a mini bar.
Not full.
Not yet, right?
Not yet, because other guests asked me.
Emptied it.
Yes, it's empty.
Yep. There's a nice light on the. Here we go, on the mirror here. Huge TV, huge TV right across from the sofa, which can convert to be a bed. Okay. There is a little dining table here with 4 chairs, as well as a coffee table. He talked about the balcony, so we'll just go ahead and show you the balcony. You've got to go through this like little airlock to get there because it's a forward-facing balcony. Here we go again with these challenges. Give that to Lisa. There we go. I am so balcony challenged. All right, so you got a decent size balcony here, guys. 2-bedroom suite. There is glass up at the top so you can see, and you can actually hide down here. You got the kids, that's where they're going to play. Look at that. Straight out in the middle of the ship. Look at that. Ooh, man, the icon of the seas. Ooh. All right, so there's the balcony. And remember, this is a 2-bedroom suite. So let's go take a look at bedroom number 1. This is the master. All right, so 2 twins that convert into a king. You got your nightstands. USB power is only on that side of the bed. You do have a little place to sit here and do your makeup. That does light up. And there's power. There's your hairdryer. You got some nightstands there, plus a little extra shelf. And there is a TV across from the bed as well. You do have views out to the balcony. You just can't get there from the bedroom. You can only get there from the living room. Okay, so that was bedroom 1, the master. And then you've got this 2nd bedroom here, which would be for either your guest or the kids. Again, 2 twins together, 1 king put together. Got a couple of nightstands there and a closet on this side with pure hanging on one side. And you got shelves and drawers on the other. Now, since this is a 2-bedroom suite, you get a huge closet. Huge wraparound closet.
Bonus.
Right, bonus. Couple big drawers there. There's a safe. Right, so there's closets in the 1 bedroom and a big closet there. But you also get 2 bathrooms.
Look at that.
This one here is for the kids. It's got the tub in it. It's a tub shower combo. Toilet's in a great place for someone tall and fluffy like myself. In fact, I'll show you. Right. And then right across from me is your 1-piece sink, a little wraparound mirror. There's also a makeup mirror on that side, which is really neat. Okay, and he is in what I call mom and dad shower. Decent size shower in there. Toilet again in a good spot. You got huge mirrors, as you can see, a couple shelves, storage, and all kinds of things. So we're going to stay out of his way and let him finish. Let us know what you think of this 2-bedroom suite here on the MSC Seascape.